in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable dynamic messaging in the AOL Mail client. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up AOL Mail and select Settings up in the top right. And then you want to go down and select More Settings. And now on the left panel, you want to select where it says Viewing Email. And then on the right where it says Dynamic Messaging, display dynamic email content when available. Go ahead and toggle that on to turn that to the right to enable that feature. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.